12 shapes minimum. Over half of the shapes must be filled in with step value scales that have a minimum of 4 values. The rest of the shapes left over will be solid values, roughly equal numbers of each value, and on 6x6 paper. Getting back to the equal numbers of each value, I've got 2 light value. I had 2 medium, light medium. Oops, no, that's a light medium. I know I had another one on here somewhere. I've lost it. Okay. Okay, maybe I only had 7. I don't know. Okay, 2 light values, at least one light medium, 2 dark medium, and 2 dark dark. I could swear there was another light medium. Maybe I got carried away with it and it's hiding, but sometimes that happens. But we want just a value study. That's what these are called, or drawings like this. Practicing making those different values and making contrast between each value so that each one stands out. And practicing getting closer and closer to gradations. Okay, so that's that. Take 2. Okay, Mrs. Castle here, and we're going to talk about values and sort of getting a gradation effect with, by using the value scales or step value scales, like you did on one of our first assignments. So what I'm going to do is fill in the different shapes that we have, some of them with plain values and some of them with a gradation made with steps. Okay, so we'll start one of those. I'm going to divide this into 4 smaller sections, and I'm going to start, the very light values are difficult to see. Did I bring home a blender? I did not bring home a blender, so we'll just have to deal with it without. You can use a blender on graphite. Don't use your finger on something this small. You can use your finger, but it's going to be difficult because our shapes are so small. And I'm not making you do a big one of these because it's going to take a long time. I'm going to switch to my number 4. Four different values in that one shape. And I'm just going to leave them the way they are. I'm not going to blend or anything. Okay, then I'm going to divide up another one. Let's do this way. And I'm going to keep going in this way. $15, $16, $17. I'm going to do 8 boxes. Make that 9. I'm going to do 9 boxes with these step gradations in them. And then I want you, however many shapes you end up with, don't copy mine. Do your own. Be creative on your own, but keep it simple. Oh no. I think it's going to be run around the dining room table time at Mrs. Castle's house for the German Shepherd dogs. So, but anyway, do more than half of your shapes with the step gradation, the step value steps, and then the rest you'll do with random solid values. And I'm going to keep going on this and let you kind of watch, and then I'm going to speed it up so it's going to go pretty fast. Then we'll wrap up at the end. I've got 17 shapes on here. I would like you to have at least 12 shapes. Layer up so your values are even. Okay, I've got my 9 filled in, and now I'm going to do my solid value boxes. So there's my drawing. Can't wait to see yours. Please do not copy mine. Thank you.